Now, aside opening your B app every 24 hours to click on the mine button, there is also one very important thing that you always need to do from time to time, which we call the B network XP point. Now, this B XP point is very, very important, and there are several reasons why you should always claim the B XP point. Here are the reasons why you need to claim your B XP points. The first reason, the B XP point shows how active and consistent you are on the B network ecosystem, thereby making you a top priority. So by the time they want to start migrating, you'll be one of the first people to get migrated. You'll be one of the first people to get your KYC and all that. Now, the other reason is whenever new airdrop that B network wants to organize, you'll be one of the first set of people to benefit from the airdrop. Now, another very good reason why you should always claim your XPs, the XP points can then be converted into actual reward. So you should always claim your XP. It also protects your account from account limits and purging, because there are times when the B network team will start purging accounts and deleting accounts. So by the time they see that you have a lot of XP, they will know that, oh, this person is not a bot. This is an actual person that has been participating and taking part in this project, and you are going to be protected from any form of purging or limitation. Now, also note that XP can eventually become scarce. So now is the best time for you to start claiming the XP points so you can accumulate as much XP point as possible before it starts becoming scarce. Now, I'm going to show you how you can start claiming your XP points on B network. Let me take you to my phone screen and let's see how we can get this done. Let's go, guys. Now, we're on the app. So I'm currently mining. So what I want to do now is, before we go right in, I noticed that some people have been having difficulty using the BXP points. Now, the reason is because it is not really recognized in Nigeria. So there's a particular VPN that you can make use of. I'm going to leave the link of the VPN in the description. It will give you first 3 days trial, and then you'll be paying about 4,000 thereabout per month. So you'll be able to use the VPN for every other thing except this. But to access the daily check-ins, or you can also find other free VPN that you can make use of. But the one I make use of is Onion. It is very, very strong VPN. So that VPN will help you access your daily XP points, right? So now the VPN is on. To make sure that your wallet is set. How do you make sure your wallet is set? Make sure that you create your wallet and then you keep your 12 seed phrase very well. Make sure you keep it in a very safe place that you will always go back to whenever you need it. Now, what you want to do now is to hop onto this place here that says explore. When you click on it now, you're going to see a search bar over here. So there's a link I'm going to be leaving in the description. That link, you copy the link and then you paste it on this search bar. So you click on this search bar like this and you paste the link, and then it brings you to this page. So now what you want to do basically is to click on check-in. When you click on check-in, I'm going to see it's going to pop up. Some of you might be able to do it without using VPN. While some of you, if you notice that you're unable to access this check-in, when you click on it, it's not responding, just know you need to use a VPN. Now, when you do this, you are going to come onto this place here that says login. You click on login and then you click on B network one-click login. Right, this is my information. You click on authorize. So now you are in. You come back here, you click on check-in. Now you start. Now continuous check-in, 100 XP. So you click on start. Day 1, you click on check-in. Check-in success. Now you are done with that one. You come to the next one, explore big games plus 600. You click on start. So my XP point is currently 700. Yes, you just explored the game. So let's just keep doing the other ones while this one is processing. Privacy, coin sector, research, blah blah. So now you get the idea of the old check-in, right? Now this is privacy. You cancel these ads and then you scroll all the way down and then you go back to check-in. It's still loading. Is this Bitcoin cycle over? That's like an article. You just scroll as if you are reading. You make sure you read to the last part of it like this. You just scroll down and then you go back. It will keep loading, yeah. Then referral, bring 1 new pal. You start. So that's basically how to do it. Please make sure that your VPN is on. So for those of you that have free VPN, you can make use of it. I don't personally make use of free VPN because I don't think it's 100% safe. Because how would you develop a particular app and not have something you receive in return? There's always going to be a catch. There's always going to be something to receive. So I'd rather pay and feel like I'm safe than use the free ones out there. So that's basically what that is. So guys, if you like this content you just got, kindly help me smash the like button and also turn on the bell notification to get more amazing contents like the one you just got. So that will be the end of today's video. I'm going to be seeing you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.